Hello Uchi Squad, how are you guys doing? Welcome to a start of a new vlog. If you are new here, welcome. Please consider subscribing before you leave. And if you are a returning subscriber and OG Squad, welcome back. Thank you so much for your support. Guys, I really appreciate the support. I don't take that for granted. Ne? I really appreciate the support. Anyways, welcome to a new vlog. In today's video, you're going to be seeing my son and I cleaning our house. The house that you guys know. Ne? The house that you guys know. So yeah, we're going there to clean. The house has just been painted. Yeah, it's just painting that was done. Some of the things that were fixed, I don't think I'll be able... I won't remember all of them, but if I remember some, I will show you guys and I'll just try to explain. But the main thing is to clean the house. So yeah, let's go and do that. And while we still at that, let me just do an outro because I'm not gonna have energy. So I need to do the outro once and for all. So let me just take you through. We've just painted our house. Ne? Oh, but you won't see. Okay, so obviously, that's where the washing machine sits. Okay, the kitchen, they've used a similar color to what was here, so you won't see much of a difference. And then... okay, also guys, you might not hear me. Connie noise background. My sister and Licky Human are talking, and I think Connie echo because go empty up. But anyway, so let me just see. Okay, so up a sitting room, 7 go green, but I don't know the exact shade, but it's a green color. And then up, also I'm not doing this thing in order, please bear with me. Up, that's where I would have my, what do you call this thing? My coffee machine, my juice machine, the air fryer. Yeah, I think those things. So we had our fridge here, and then we've cut this. There was a board that went down. Let me see. Yeah, it went down all the way to here. So we've asked them to remove that, so that a bigger fridge instead. And as you can see, the wine rack, it's a built-in wine rack. The wine glasses, ziba, and then yeah, it's just the cupboards. And then okay, Little Human, obviously, which I don't want to show, so I've shown you this. And then they're still gonna do the doors. Utebazo faga indonga gloss or something. Yeah, they're still gonna do the doors. Yes, Nana. It's locked. Oh, it's open. Okay. Oopsie. But I don't know if I don't have the key for the gate. So I need to we're using that dot in. Okay, so as you can see, it's green here, and then upper passage in it's a blue. It's a blue shade, but I don't get the exact color, guys. I'm sorry. But okay, so I wanna if I use this side. That's my sister. So that's, you see, these are the two colors that we went for. I hope you guys can see. We've got those two small windows. So it's actually 3 colors because it's it's almost cream, then it's green, then it's blue. Yeah, and then I want to see the rooms. This is room number 1. So okay, they've used blue in the rooms. It's blue, but guys, these shades, they don't show. Yeah, it shows properly. What's up, Nana? And then blue and green. Do you like it? Oh, you love it. Okay. It's also blue, but you won't see because of Anditi, guys. It's opened, so the light, it gives a different shade, but it's blue inside. The doors remain white. They've painted the doors. Let me just see. Yep, all clean because this one ibichile pa ezantsi. It's a pity I didn't take a before picture. This room is also blue, but I wanna go up. I think it's the angle. Yeah, it's blue. This one. Okay, and then the wardrobes, obviously they remain white, and the doors. So the doors have been painted. So I think short is ceiling, if I'm not mistaken. Let's check the bathroom. Oh yeah, ish. Now you get to see me. Okay, so this is me. Let me see if I can. Okay, so this is me. Okay, guys, this is all clean up, so nothing fancy or whatever. So yeah, that's me right there. Okay, so this is bathroom number 1. Oopsie, sorry. Yebo, nayo blue. And then befanele but oh nice bayenzile apha because it was yebo into engane. Oh wait, it's not focusing. Itheni yo. I wonder if I even, guys, I don't know. Itheni nuts, yeah. Okay, bayenzile apha bafake that white, I don't know into engane, I don't know. Yeah. But beyimention lo guy. But I think there's still, is it dust or a hole there? I don't know, but we're gonna see because we're here to clean. I think at some point this might also needs to be changed. Yeah, see, there's these nice ones, but anyway, bit by bit, and then that's the bath. Obviously, Little Human's bath. I couldn't change it. We didn't change anything. It's just this. The door, they've painted it slick clean. Yeah, see. The tiles remain the same, and then the main bedroom, the doors are cleaned, and then oh nice, yo guys, because our head would be against the wall, and it was cream before. Okay, so this is. I think they're also supposed to check the wardrobes if everything is okay, but anyway. This is all clean. I'll show you guys also cleaning. I'll just do a quick run. Also clean. But anyway, yeah. So this is where the bed would fit. It's nice. Yes, that's the built-in wardrobe there. That's the But mine's a sharp yes because cleaning into Let me see. This is high roof, sun, and then obviously okay. Now it's dark. Let me see. Oh, they've removed. So it means the cables. So that thing, so we would put our cables there. Can you see? And then this thing, this thing, the white thing, is to cover so that it looks neat. So I think again, the Bible said all those cables. I don't know. And then, okay, that's me again. Yo, I'm not happy to show myself, DJ, but anyway, like I said, guys, we are here to clean the house after it's been painted. No man, I don't think they're gonna do the ceiling. Yeah, they're not gonna do the ceilings. They're only gonna do the bathroom ceilings. Yes, that was the agreement. They're gonna do the bathrooms. Yeah. Okay, so the wardrobe. Let me just show you guys how this. It's a huge. Let me say it's a big mirrored thing. I just want to see. Oh, okay. Wait. I just need to Oh, guys, sorry. A call came through. Yazi, I was on a call for. I think. Yes, Nana. I think that you want to go to sleep. Okay, you might want to see you wardrobe. Wait, Sandra. So guys, yeah, I was on a call for the longest time, but anyway, so this is how this Little Human is there, yes, but anyway, this is how this wardrobe looks like, and then you would open here. Yeah, but this is by painting. Hi guys, wait. Okay, by the way, guys, now these are first time impressions. So my sister is singing, guys, and I can't stop her because she's already started cleaning. Would have our small TV. Our small TV here. As you can see, the cables there. So we'd have our small TV there, and then my perfumes there, my earrings, all those things, and then sister wamuyacula, guys, uyangcola. And then aphazi. So apha basazoyilungisa. You see here. So they need to fix this. And My little human is saying it's too loud. My sister is saying too loud. Yeah, but so they're still gonna fix this. So that's where the TV would be plugged in, cable here. So yeah, and then same thing that side. So this is the recorder. So yeah, it's the same thing the side, guys. I don't know if it's worth. This video is now taking longer than I wanted it to. So yeah, you see. So bazofaka proper ayo wallpaper wethu kodwa nona ayo wallpaper, but yeah bazoyiclean. Okay, and then see a bathroom. Okay, as you can see, obviously the wall, the door is clean. Oh nice. Now I'm painting. Just see. Okay, so toiletries, and then a basin. What's this? Probably they are there. I don't know. Oh, Ylendo's has. Oh, you can see. A curtain rail and the blinds. It's a curtain rail in the blinds, and then a shower upper, which and we didn't bring something to clean it.
Go to Gogo now?
Yes, you can go to Gogo, Nana. By the way, guys, that was Gogo on the phone, so that's why he wants to go to Gogo now, because they were talking on the phone and he said he wants to go to Gogo. So yeah, we're gonna clean this.
With me?
Yes, Nana Suzohamba. So man, roof clean nje okanye ndiyaphaza. Either by cleanile. No, I think they did the roof, guys, because bekumnyama pha. They did the roof as well. Yeah, it's clean. Oh, so initially wardrobe windows and those main doors. Is it? Okay, and the main doors, yeah. Oh, it's a baby. Okay, guys, apologies. Only human and pazamis. Yeah, guys, let me join my sister again in cleaning. We need to clean, and then Suzo. She's doing the windows, but yeah. So that's Suzo. She's cleaning the windows. There's a cloth for the windows, and then that's it. I'll catch you guys later. And clean. I don't know if you're gonna see the difference, but I'm sure you'll see the difference because can you see? Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? People were working here. Even the what? The indolent cupboard. Nje. Wi-Fi. Don't do any higher. So yeah, can you see the mop, the floor? Okay, I think back there's a gloss for the doors, no wardrobe. The ceiling up, but so at least. Yeah, but I'm loving these colors. Yeah, about this blue and green. I think also my sister doesn't mind to be on the camera like this. At Near Sevens, she's not here for beauty content. Come. Is a sandwa. Okay. Guys, my sister sent me tenga into your cleaner shower. Also, I think she doesn't want me there because Nandi is in the Victorizer and she wants to work. She wants to work, and Nandi is in the Victorizer. But also, guys, now I'm very slow. Okay, look that side as well. Mlandi is slow, and my sister against her when it comes to cleaning Jonga, 2 minutes she's done. I don't know how she does it, lady. I don't know how she does it, that lady. But anyway, so you're telling into your cleaner shower. Agayazi into your cleaner oven, because the oven yet now it needs to be cleaned. But anyway, so I life now, and then we go back home. So you pretend that to be working because wow. I've found the Mr. She said I must buy this one. She sent me a picture. Mr. Muscle Soap Scum. Ne? So this is Conilite. That's why I learned to develop. But anyway, so we're taking this one. It's already on Little Human hands, Gesana, and then difuna into your oven. So I'm gonna try this because I'm tagi oven yet. I wanna try this. I hope it's also if it doesn't work, Gesana and Yaznam. I don't know. iphuma nesponge this one. I've seen this isetyenziswa ku-social media. I hope izosebenza because imdaka. Guys, ii-nails zam but ke ndiyaklina bendinixelele ndiyaklina, so please don't judge. Masambe ke sithando, let me help you with your ball ke because awuzukwazi uhamba kanje.
I'm holding it.
Can I please help you? Thank you. Masambe ke siyobhatala. Let's go pay. Masambe, let's go pay.
And also take off my shoes.
Yes. Obu is back. Thank you, my Obu. Come hug, Kazi. Yeah. Thank you, my baby. I love you too. I love you too, ne? Oh, I love you. It's your pants puff. Thank you, my baby. You're
Welcome.
You're welcome. Oh, guys, we're back home now. This is me. See, I told you guys that my sister doesn't want me around because Nandi is in their vlogger. But here are the items, as you can see. Yeah, we're back home. This for many does ikhona neye oven andani kuyosebenza na. Guys, ndizokwenza ke ngoku apha ne apha eshaweni. Andiyazi, I hope ayitsafi lento. You are amandikhawulezise ke. Okay. Itheni spray nje. Yo thizam. Okay guys, kuthiwa izonditsarha lento. Andazi ba kuthini tsarha nge-English. But ke yeah. Oh, and then Okay, bye bye guys. For now, I need to do this thing fast ndiphume apha nam. I can't kaloku sana. Nana, please don't come here. Kuthiwa iyatsarha lento.
Look everywhere.
When's that?
I'm trying to go outside the house.
Guys, here. So this one wanted to sit in the car. Ngicela nibuke. Nana, uzokophu. Why? Tell me, why is he sitting in the boot? Like he's sitting in the boot, guys. Jongan. Oh, he's also watching his cartoons there. I don't know if you can see because I'm outside. I came to check on him, and this is what I find. Hey, Betunana. Wenzani?
I tried to go play down so much.
Sure? Son. It's Magwinya. Okay, guys, look who's here. Bay is here. Brought us some food.
Daddy,
Yeah.
Mama, come see my noodles.
Okay, noodles. Okay, there's Licky Human's noodles. Can't see. And then, is this your water?
Yes?
Are you happy?
Yes, I know to fit it up.
Oh, okay.
You see? Then
Okay, let me go share with my sister.
Gazi.
Oh, with Gazi. Okay, Licky Human's Gazi. And then I think his daddy's gonna feed him. Because, oopsie, I'm showing other people's cars. I don't want to do that. But anyway, yeah. Let's go eat. Okay, guys, we've been talking, but she was playing music with her phone. So I told her that whatever she was saying, Anizoiva. She was showing us her nails. It's a small nail, short nails, guys.
I did short nails this time.
Guys, actually, these are short. Like, look at look at the difference. What is short here? Yo, guys, ubali lady. What they are short? Okay, you can see. Because ndiyaja. No, but again, when you clean a mom, now this was my part. I'm done with all of that. I'm done. That's me being done. Cook, clean it up. I think this was last as you sambanazo for sambanazo. And then ndikubile ngoku ndisokhele le nto le nto bendi clean yazi ibimdaka ibimnyama ndisokhe this thing then yabo uklinela micala ndiyi-good girl mna ndigqibe fast into engekho clean yi-oven but ndiphinde ndayifaka ntoni Mr. Beckham Beckman hayi sala ndiyazi but ke ndishiye ndiyifakile so that mhlawumbi overnight ibe isenza mhlawumbi xa siphinda siza during the week ndizayiklinisisa and then izolo guys bendithenge i-family meal kuphikana nepha eBurger King iphuma nepepsi uBay no-Amanda kha bayifuni kodwa namhlanje ngabo basela ipepsi yam qala izolo bebengayifuni beziqhosha ngam apha hayi bosisi during my vlog guys I want to jongani guys there's little human. Hello. Hayi ndifuna nibone lo mntana guys.
I'm not in Paw Patrol today too.
Is it? Utyele bhutini ka.
Close now. It's so cold.
Suposisa. It's not cold. Okay, I'm gonna close. Guys ngicela nje utyele bhuti yo hayi uba inkwenke kodwa bethinana.
Close it.
Okay, watch izindlela zakho zinganqqubi ne? Hlala phansi kaloku izokunqquba le nto. Okay, susa isandla ke nana ngazokunqoba.
Ibizawuthini ungabali ku-record?
Because andithembi bakho ndiphathisa igesi yona apha.
So ziphelile igesi. In the last of last year, 2023. And insane, I have love it.
Guys, okay, I've just clean. So I've just watered my plants. But you can see it in you can see the water. Can you see? There. Yeah, I've just watered my plants. Peppers says anazo zinye pha. Lena ndiyazi ukutheni ibola kodwa ila. Umgqomo. Le. Qha ndazi umgqomo omkhulu and then tomato. Okay guys, I know I've just shown you my garden not so long ago, but in Dondonland, that's the rocket. Yabo, isahleli kakuhle shem. But yeah, I was just watering my garden now while waiting for Umedem. Guys, we are done cleaning. Okay, so this is the bathroom, the shower. Can you see now? It's the angles, but anyway, yeah, we glass cleaning. Lento, this door handle, icon. So it's exactly like this one. So we need to put this up because that one ipukile. So we do have, let me see, yeah, we do have one like this. So we're just gonna put it here and then go clean in napansi. Can you see the mirror and all of that? And then a camera in the main bedroom. Ispili, can you see? Yo, go clean. And then the only thing, lento, because cables kakuhle and then kuvalwe ngalento imhlophe. Yabo, zizohamba up and then kuvalwe ngalento. And then a wardrobe, jonga, you can even see a reflection ye festil. Because go clean and then oh, a cable, a cable ye light, call it light up. Oh no, ilento is black and then here's a light. So if it connects to that and then so this is how it looks like from where I am standing. And then this bathroom, nilapha clean. Yeah, blue bonakala kakuhle apha. Can see that kakuhle. Stop. Okay, nasiya. And then clean. And then nalapha clean. Nefestile, by the way, guys, the windows are also clean. I cleaned 1 or 2 of the windows. At least I did a bit of, I was very handy. Yeah, okay. Clean. And then the face light ke and does no ba ayizuba fani na ku green kanene apha ne. So ile ntambo ye Wi-Fi connector pha, so that's why kunje pha. And then that's where the TV would sit. Or the floor. It's very clean. And then the kitchen. Clean. And then let us ndambo ezi. Let me just check. Zintambo giza, ne? Because giza lapha gas, so in a UPS for backup. Number yo, yeah, umbane ne. Charge or something. Yeah, I don't do it, but UPS backup gas giza. I just can. I don't know how to explain it. And then yeah, and then there paint is often by clean. I think it's turpentine or something. Yeah, now we can go rest. Clean. Naphandle. The only thing that needs to be done here, and ndiyenze kuthatha hose pipe yazi clean this. We can pot plants up. This bag let's just put them here. Yabo nazi up. So ndikhalela ukuthatha hose pipe ndiyenze lento, but I can do it some other time. Doesn't necessarily have to be now. Also a plant yam, hey shame yazi, I haven't been giving her attention, can't drink, but anyway I'll have time with you ndile nto zindiyihoye izophinda ivuke. So yeah, sithi aba we are done. Man le nto ke yhu ndangcolisa ba jongani. Cool. That's all for today, guys. Actually, that is all for this video. So guys, you've just seen us clean the house. In my next video, I'll give you guys an update as to what is happening with this whole house situation. But for now, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed seeing me get busy. Yeah, but I'm a hard worker, guys. I'm a hard worker. Anyway, I'll see you guys on the next one. Until then, you guys take it. Oh no, before we get to that part, I hope you guys don't skip the ads. And if you accidentally skip the ads, please just run my video again when you're not busy with your... whether you're watching from your phone, from your laptop, or from TV. When you've got a moment to spare, can you just please let it run again so the ads can also play? Because that is how we make money here on YouTube. Okay, with that being said, thank you so much for supporting me. Until the next one, you guys take care. I love you so much. Mwah.